Okay, this is the part 2. Okay. So, gusto nyo at tag-like and subscribe ka na. Ito na. Woo! Pag hindi mo nakita yung nigawa ko, yung sabi ko, part 2 na lang. Pag hindi mo pa napanood, panoodin mo na yon. So, member mo to. So, gagawin ulit natin. Okay. So, na-remember natin yung book na to. Shining Bright. Bigay na natin. So, na-add ko na yung book dito. Hindi naman, colors. Hala, naiwan yung pink. Yellow. Yung orange na color, wait lang, kukunin ko. So guys, na-find ko na yung kulay orange. Hinihanapin ko sa kay Lola. Kay Lola Milet. So, napak na natin lahat to. So, pag nakita mo kung cool to, like and subscribe. If you're not, I will find you in your house. I'm just joking. I will never find your house. I'm just only a kid. If I go around and a truck will be that to me. If you don't know to English, this comment, just please comment Tagalog like that, so I can Tagalog you in the part 3. Like and subscribe to be a YouTuber. Like and subscribe I will give you my play button. I'm just joking. I have no play button. Mr. B said it. Bye.